Well, I thought I'd just put up a short video here and let you know that Chris received the Galaxie on Monday. He's very happy with it. I'll include a couple photos here that he sent me of the Galaxie, and really happy he got it and everything's well with it. I do miss the car already. I'm going out to run errands and I'm taking the Bel Air, and I don't think the accelerator pump's the issue. I think the choke was just set too lean. I richened it one notch on the cap on the carburetor, and it's been running a while now. I tried went to video the cold start, and then I realized it didn't video because I put a new memory card in and it needed to be formatted, so I didn't get a recording of it. And the engine's, now that it's my cards formatted, the engine's actually starting to warm up, come up to temperature, so you know, there's no turning it off and faking it, and I wouldn't want to do that anyway. But anyway, it's still running on somewhat of a fast idle. Can you hear? We'll kick it down. Alright, so there we go. Anyway, with the choke richened up one notch, it lights right up first thing in the morning, no issue. So I'm just going to hold off on the carb rebuild. I do got to deal with the power brake booster. It's getting stiffer and stiffer, and you know, it's getting worse. So you push the pedal, I don't know if it'll show up, but you push the pedal and it comes up right now all the way, but when it's hot, you got to put your foot behind it. It'll come up maybe to about there, and then that much it doesn't come up. And if you don't put your foot behind the pedal and pull it back up, the next stop you don't have any power assist. Right now I have good power assist because it's coming up all the way. So I don't know what shows up there or not, but anyway, it's an issue I got to resolve, and I got to climb up under there to you can't see anything, to get to the linkage, and I can't physically do that right now. So hopefully the booster will hold up until I can. I have that one I rebuilt. If you want to see it rebuilt, go back to my past videos. I show rebuilding a Bendix booster for this car. But anyway, I got to run to the post office, so here we go. Yeah, the truck's still over at the storage unit, so I just put the Escape in the garage, and we'll get the, I can't see to back up and hold the camera at the same time, so you're just gonna, that's one thing, backing out's kind of tight here, but that's all right. You know, at least I can fit I can fit a car in the driveway and two in the garage and get in and out with any of the cars without moving any of them, which I kind of like. But anyway, let me head off. We'll go to run to the post office. I'll do a little video going there and back. Car's all covered in pollen. We've been regularly up in the mid to upper 80s for the past week and a half or so. It was 86 the day they picked the Galaxie up. That was pretty good. They picked it up and had it to them by Monday morning. So only took them a few days to get it there. And I'm going to try and go to Culver's. They have a car cruise there in Lake Orion every Tuesday evening, and I try and go to them. I enjoy that cruise. I don't make it to them all, but the ones I can make it to, I go to. I went last week. I think it was last week I went. I might try and go again tonight. Obviously, this is the car I'll be taking. Alright, I'm going to be on more major road here, so I'm going to turn the video off. go down there with all that dust. I might not have a choice. I think they're cutting concrete. They're replacing water mains and water lines. All the water lines, the houses, and most of them are lead. Alright, I'm going to stop so I can hurry up and get around this mess. Well, I'm back from the post office, and I just thought I would show you quick what I was talking about by richening the choke up. So let me get a light, maybe I can show it a little bit. So this assembly right here is the choke, this whole deal here, and there's a notch up here on the top center. See how there's a little gap there? Hopefully that all shows up. But anyway, see I have a mark on it, and that lines up with the center, and all I did was move that. You turn it this way and it tightens the choke spring up to where it closes that choke tighter. Turn it this way to lean it out. And during the cold weather, sometimes I lean it a notch or two so the choke isn't on as long, and sometimes in the hot weather I richen it a little bit so it comes on. Well, I just turned it one notch. Sometimes I do it 2 or 3 one way or the other. I just turned it one notch rich and stabbed the accelerator once to the floor, and the engine started right up. And the accelerator pump appears to be working as it should, so I'm not going to worry about that. I think that I'm just going to leave the carburetor alone. And you can see the power brake boosters, you know, it unbolts from right there, but the thing is the linkage is underneath the dash, so yeah, I gotta get underneath there to disconnect it. I rebuilt this booster, and like I say, it's in my past videos, so I'm just going to swap out the booster, and when I can get under the dash or get somebody to climb under the dash for me. But anyway, that's it. I'm going to call it a video. I just thought I'd post a little video here to let you know the Galaxie made it to its new home. You'll get a couple photos, and that's it for this video. If you like it, definitely hit the like button. If you like my channel, hit that 348 engine icon that pops up there. And thank you for watching my videos.